Hello, everyone, and happy Tuesday. So, first today, you're going to learn about Margaret Cavendish. So, the first thing that you're going to do in today's lesson is do a close reading of the following picture, okay? Again, of the following picture, which is looking at this, what do you see? What do you see happening here? So write about all of the details and information that this picture is providing you with. Then give your viewpoint on the picture. Write this in this document. So go ahead and click down here and it will force you to make a copy and you will create your own free writing assignment. Okay. Um, I will show you a picture here, but again, based on the image in the presentation, also above in the second image, take a moment to free write about all the details and information that this picture is providing you with. Then again, give your viewpoint on the picture. After you have done that, then simply go ahead and read up. These are some things just about Margaret Cavendish and who she is, lovely lady here. She was born in 1623 to 1673, and Margaret Lucas is her name, was born at St. John's Abbey of Essex and was the youngest child of Thomas and Elizabeth Lucas. Although her parents were wealthy, they were completely untitled. She was privately tutored and in 1642 was sent to live with her sister in Oxford, where the royal court was residing. Margaret became a maid of honor to Queen Henrietta Maria and in 1644 accompanied her mistress into exile in Paris. So think about having to be with someone, helping them, and then that person of royalty is gone into exile, okay? And what stigma may have arisen from that, okay? Next, in 1623 to 1673, the move to Paris proved to be the pivotal point in Margaret's life. So here she is, a young lady in Paris. And it was here that she met her future husband. Go figure, you're in Paris, the city of love. And she meets William Cavendish, Marquess. And later he became Duke of Newcastle upon Tyne. So the two were married by the end of 1645. After moving to Rotterdam and then Antwerp, husband and wife returned to England at the Restoration and set about the process of restoring the Cavendish estates. So after they were married, then she could go back to England and she was restored, okay, back to England. All right. So, and restored his family's estate. So look at this. This is the Cavendish estates. Can you imagine living here? All right. And this is where they lived. So now what I want you to do is, now that we know a little bit about Margaret Cavendish, we're going to read the text, Female Orations by Margaret Cavendish. So I want you to spend some time. It will probably take you about 30 minutes to read this on your own, and then let me know when you're done, and we will move on with the rest of the lesson.